There's a story you've been told about health.
We get sick, we go to the doctor, we take a pill,
Repeat. But that old story is starting to crack. Hospitals are filling up. Doctors are burning out.
the diagnoses are on the rise. And the pills
Don't always work. But what if there was another story? What if there was a medicine that could help all of us get well? In 30 countries around the world, there is. It's a medicine that looks less like a pill and more like the things we love. A walk in the woods, a swim in the sea,
a night at the theater, groups for singing and for dancing.
they're called social prescriptions.
I'm Julia Hotz. I'm a journalist and I've spent the last few years reporting on the science and the spread of social prescribing. It's a hopeful story. A story about what happens when doctors, researchers, community leaders, and patients themselves flip the script on health, asking not what's the matter with you, but instead, what matters to you. Come be a part of this news story. A story reminding us of what matters.